TAGMA is organizing International Tooling Summit 2025 where the latest technology for the toolmakers are being discussed.
ITS 2025 we are preparing for last 6 months. This is our 9th edition and really we had an overwhelming response, whether it is sponsors or whether it is delegates. We had a fantastic response. We have broken past all our records of 9 editions. We have around 600 delegates attending this show.
Whenever we are discussing about the tool holding, precision, performance and reliability is not an optional. That is an inherent part of all machine shop. So wherever the precision is there, wherever precision is a profit, RegoFix comes into the picture. So RegoFix is a Swiss company and dealing into all high precision tool holdings. Not only we are as an inventor of ER collet system, but we do have a flagship product. It's called as a power grip system, and that is a profitability making machine for your machine shop.
When it comes to advanced technology, mostly the people speak about IoT 4.0 or IoT 5.0. But let's consider that the tool and die making is part of the second industrial solution, which come up in the 19th century. So how about we combine the traditional craftsmanship of tool and die manufacturing with the new technologies, which brings us the competitive advantages, which is in every market, also in India, the spark which needs to be ignited to a broad future.
We are really happy to be present over here in the ITS. ITS is one of the nice platform where we can interact with all the fraternity of the toolmakers. The toolmakers in India are growing actually, and Hasco is one of their partners since last 25 years, and we are really happy to support them in the best way to improve their productivity, to improve their quality standards, and to be more competitive in the global market.
Today, as a toolmaker, facing critical challenges, what we can say, speed, precision and integration. Speed means here that mold, normally to complete, 3 to 4 months they take it. But today market demand is 10 to 15 days maximum. So today morning that people talk about from Bharat Forge. So they have a plant in Switzerland, which they are completing in 7 days, one tool. Today, if you see the casting, within 7 days they finish the complete mold. So here, what we are facing is here, the facilities in India, so the tool room, they do not have. So the machines which we are having a complete solution we provide, like a die spatting machine, deep hole drilling machines. So the high precision machines we have.